Hey there, welcome. In this video, we will walk you through the SMS campaign creation steps. You will learn how to launch a creation wizard to send outbound messages or start two-way conversations, complete campaign creation steps, and run the campaign right away or at a scheduled time. SMS campaigns in TextPeak contain all the necessary components and conditions for mass SMS sending. You can proceed with your first campaign after you make a few preparation steps. As you watch this video, you will see links on the screen that will redirect you to relevant guides. You will also see a reference list in the corresponding article below this video. When ready, go to Campaigns in the main menu and click Create New Campaign. First, the system will prompt you to choose a campaign type depending on your needs, if you want to send messages only or have a two-way conversation. Another option is Transactional Bulk SMS. Then, it will open a creation wizard for you. You should fill in the information in each section step by step. In the first section, add a campaign name and description. Optionally, select tags so that later, you can quickly find the campaign. Then click Save and Next. The second action is to add recipient contact details. Select one or more existing contact lists from the drop-down box. Otherwise, you can click Create New Contact List, or Create New Segment to add new contacts right here. Under the drop-down list, you will see the total number of message recipients in the selected contact lists and segments. For a two-way campaign, you also need to specify the destination country. Please mind that the contacts in the list you add must belong to the country specified. Remember that at any time, you can click Reset and start entering the campaign data again. The next section is From. Here you can choose from existing sender IDs. Similarly to lists, you can add a new sender ID right here. Add it in the window that pops up, but mind that you'll have to wait until the new number is approved. In the case of multiple IDs, set an equal or custom ratio. After you click Save and Next, the message section expands. Your message can have several variants and can be based on a previously created template. Or you can add a new template here. Modify the message if needed. If your message contains a tag for personalization, such as the recipient's name, and some of your contacts are missing the relevant data, you will see a notification about it in red. Hover over it to learn more, and click on the link to perform further actions. If you move the toggle switch to the left, the contacts with missing data will be excluded from the campaign. Otherwise, you can enter the text to replace the missing variable. Then click Apply Changes. If your message contains an opt-out URL or a short URL, the buttons for these variables will be displayed in red, which means that now you need to make domain and URL settings. First, make sure that you have configured the domains for the URLs. For convenience, you can create domain pools. To set URLs for this message, click on the Needed button and select a previously created pool or as many individual domains as you need. Then choose how the domains will be distributed while your messages are sent. With the default option, domains will be used evenly. Or you can select the other option, and the system will use each domain until its limit is reached, and then proceed to the next domain. Click Next, and select a URL offer you have created in advance, or add an offer right now. After filling in all the data, click Add URL. As soon as you complete the URL settings, the button will turn green. Perform the same actions for the opt-out URL. You can also use the Auto Word Group option to create a group of replaceable words with similar meanings. Words belonging to a word group will be randomly selected for each sent message, which will help prevent them from being identified as spam. You are free to choose an existing word group or create and use a new one. While editing your message variant, you will be notified of your message's minimum and maximum length depending on the words chosen from word groups. You will also see the number of unique messages that can be sent with the word groups used. Also, the UTF-8 indicator will alert you if you use characters that are not Unicode, and a single SMS will be limited to 70 characters. Then, you can set equal or custom ratios for the text variants. Choose colors for displaying statistics per variant in Analytics and Insights. On the right, you can preview how the text will look on the mobile device, and test your message by sending it to a chosen phone number. Click Test SMS, and enter the required data in the pop-up window. Then click Send Test, and wait for the message to be sent. As the final step in this section, you can save your message as a new template. Select the corresponding checkbox and type in the name and description for your new template. Then proceed to the Sending Schedule tab. In Activity Hours, set working hours and days when you want the system to send the messages. Optionally, choose the starting and ending dates of your campaign. Also, configure the time zone for the campaign from several available options: the local time zone of the recipient, the one you chose as your local one in Settings, or select a specific zone from the drop-down list. We recommend using the recipient's local time, because if you select your own time zone but the recipient is in a different time zone, the message can be lost due to their country's regulations limiting the allowed time for sending messages. If some contacts are unable to receive your message, you will be notified about it later, when you check the campaign details. Finally, in the Campaign Settings section, set the campaign start time. By default, the campaign will start immediately, but you can also schedule it for any later time within a year. Then, choose if you wish to pause your campaign automatically after sending the specified number of messages. This feature is essential for A/B testing, enabling you to pause campaigns and evaluate their outcomes. This allows you to adjust various campaign elements. For example, you may wish to change sender IDs, add more domains for URLs, or modify text variants. You can also select the option of pausing your campaign multiple times after the specified number of messages has been sent. Also, you may set or update a percentage for good or bad click-through rate to visualize it in campaigns or real-time pages. The system will calculate the mid-value for you. When done, check campaign details and view the pricing. At this point, you can publish your campaign. Or, if you click Finish later, the campaign will be added to the campaign list with the draft status. You can continue working on it once you click Edit. To publish, click Start Campaign, and you will see a new active campaign in the list. After the system has processed all contact data, it will message recipients from your list right away, or according to your schedule. Then you can monitor your ongoing campaigns in the columns of the Campaigns table. If needed, you can edit your campaign details even if it's running. To do it, click the campaign name on the list, make the necessary edits, and then save the changes. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.